Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on datetime and datetime2 data types. So both these data types are related to date columns. So when your table has any column related to date like join date or higher date like this, so we can use as data types for those columns. But there is slight difference between these two data types. So we will discuss those differences in this demo. So first I will show get date. Select get date. Get date returns date time. Okay, it will show here date, hours, minutes, seconds, and milliseconds. Okay, date time is the data type for get date. Okay, cast off. So here I am writing my expression as this is the date. Okay, and this is the time, hours, minutes, and seconds. Okay, after that I am taking milliseconds. Okay, as I am taking it as a date time, date time, date time, as I am giving date underscore time as alias column. If I execute this one, okay, you can see this is date and this is hours, minutes, seconds, and milliseconds. Okay, as date time. Now I will use the same date time and taking as a date time 2 this time. Okay, date time 2. You can see here. So here I will run both these date times. This is the date time. See here date time and this is date time 2. You can see the difference. So date time data type will take only milliseconds, but whereas date time 2, the precision of the date time 2, it supports up to nanoseconds. See here, up to nanoseconds. It will stop here milliseconds, but date time 2 will go up to nanoseconds. Okay, so this is one difference. And now one more example. I'm taking the same one. Okay, so here I am taking 7 as date time, and here I am taking 7 as date time 2. Same date I am taking. So here I am executing this one. See, I am running the first query. It is showing error. Conversion failed when converting date time or time from character string. That means we already seen a date time allows up to precision allows up to milliseconds. So if you mention only 3 digits in the milliseconds, it will accept. If you enter more than 1 millisecond, more than 3 milliseconds, it throws error. This is the error. And if you execute this one, it doesn't throw any error. So it will get without any error. Date time too. But whereas in date time, it will throw error. Okay. And one more difference. I am giving the date as 1753 as year 0101. Okay, I will take this as a 1752. Okay, now I am executing this one. It throws error. The conversion of the varchar data type of to datetime data type resulted in out of range value. So I am taking the same date in date time 2, 1752. Okay, it will accept. What does it mean? So date time data type Datetime does not support the date values before the year 1753. This datetime does not support the values to take as year before 1753. If you take 1754, it accept. It accept. If you take 1750, it doesn't accept. That means this datetime will support only up to 1753. If you take 1753, it will accept. If you take 1752, it doesn't. See, you will get error. Datetime will support the date 1753. Okay, so here I am mentioning the differences. Datetime 2. Okay, so it supports it supports up to milliseconds. Up to milliseconds. Okay. Now Datetime 2 supports up to nanoseconds. And second one, it supports to take the date value up to 1753 as year. Okay. Does not support to take the date value prior to 1753. Okay. But date datetime Datetime2 datetime it supports date value even before 1753. Okay, 1753 is the cutoff year. Datetime does not support to take the date value prior to 1753, but it supports. Datetime2 will support. So these are the differences you can observe in the datetime. So final conclusion is here. Okay, Datetime 2 offers Datetime 2 data type support for larger date ranges and larger time precision. Okay, these are the differences. When you got this error, when you got any error like this, so it will be the error of the date type. Okay, if you got this error, the conversion of the varchar data type and the result of is an out of range value. You got this error. It will take. It will be fault with the datetime data type, or else if you have error like this, conversion failed while converting date or datetime from characters to string. So this is also related to error related to precision. Okay, it will accept only milliseconds, whereas Datetime 2 accepts up to nanoseconds. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.